Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming OneDrive is running and you're signed into the same account that synced the SharePoint folder. Once done, identify the exact SharePoint library and folder name so you don't stop the wrong sync. Then click the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray, open Help in Settings and choose Settings. This puts you at the control panel where you can manage synced libraries and start the unsync steps immediately without navigating through File Explorer first. You'll now stop the specific library sync. In OneDrive Settings under Account, find the SharePoint library listed among your synced folders. Select that library and click Stop Sync. Confirm when prompted to prevent further automatic syncing. Once stopped, OneDrive will remove the active connection but may leave local files. Make sure to check File Explorer. The library folder should either disappear or show as files only, not a syncing folder. If files remain locally, finish by removing any unwanted local copies. Move them to a backup location or delete them after confirming you have server copies. Then restart OneDrive, sign out and unlink the PC if the folder still reappears, then relink and only re-add the libraries you want. Troubleshooting tip: if the folder keeps resyncing, clear OneDrive cache or use OneDrive's reset command, then reapply Stop Sync. Permission or cache conflicts often cause automatic reattach. Verify final state in File Explorer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.